What's going on, everybody? So today we are going to talk about falling asleep. So if you know me, you know that I have a very hard time falling asleep. So I just want to give you guys a few tips because I have been taking Ambien for the longest and now I am trying to wean myself off. So let me give you a few tips on how I did that. So the number one thing you want to do is get on a schedule. Now I'm saving, I want you to watch this video to the end because I'm saving my favorite tips at the very end. But the first thing you want to do is get on a schedule, okay? Getting on a schedule, going to bed at the same time every day helps your body naturally go to sleep because it knows when 10 o'clock hits, it's time to go to sleep. The second thing I like to do is try my best not to eat heavy, especially before going to bed. No super spicy foods, no heavy foods, not a lot of dairy. It gets your gastric acids all upset and then you have a hard time sleeping. Next, dim the light in your room. If you can, darken it altogether. No light, keep it super, super dark. If you're like me and you like to sleep with the TV on, do your best and try to just keep the sound at the lowest volume possible, okay? So that your body and your mind can relax and fall asleep. Next, lower the temperature in your room and try your best to take nice deep breaths as you fall asleep. Lowering the temperature in your room actually helps your body fall asleep because your body naturally lowers its temperature anyway. So that helps you go to sleep, get up under the covers and everything knocks you right out. My very last tip is a good bath. Look, actually I'm not a bath person, I'm a shower person. That's a whole nother video. But I discovered this line of products. It's called Cheryl's Herbs, okay? It is a Black-owned company. And what I love about it is, the first thing I tried was the body wash. Now, the body wash is made with tea and essential oils. And I know what you're thinking. Is tea going to get my body clean? All right. Yes, if it cleaned mine, it will clean yours, okay? This one is called the Summer Shampoo and Body Wash. And you can use this as a shampoo and a body wash. I love this stuff. It's super relaxing. It has the essential oils and everything already inside. And it just smells super good. But that's what I relax with. Next, I want to show you guys this Lavender Hydrosol spray. Now, you can spray it on your skin and everything, and it's really relaxing, especially when you get out of a shower. You can spray it on your clothes, but my favorite thing to do is to spray it on the pillow. It has of course it has the lavender smell, which does help you go to sleep, but it also, it makes you feel like everything is super clean. It has that clean lavender smell to it. It's so nice. And I don't know this for sure, but I guarantee you this is probably the highest selling product on their website. I guarantee it. Now, after you wake up from a long night of sleep, check out the Balance and Brighten spray. This, I had no idea what this was for at first, but honestly, something about it helps wake me up, but also if you just spray it in a room, you spray it in your car, or you just spray it on your clothes, it kind of lifts the mood some. Like if you're having a bad day, spray it and it just makes you, I don't know, it just lifts the mood and makes you feel better. Especially if you suffer from depression or if you just went through a breakup or whatever. Balance and brighten yourself. Now, this is the last one I'm gonna show. And it really doesn't have much to do with sleep, but I wanted to include it anyway. This is the immunity spray. It has some oils, and I believe this one has alcohol in it as well. But I like to spray this on the inside of my mask before I put it on. Before you put your mask on, especially if you're using a new mask, they smell like a factory, especially if you're using disposable ones. So I take it, I put a couple pumps, one on the inside, one on the outside, and it just gives you that feeling that your immune system is working harder. All right, check that out. go to cherylsherbs.com, check out the website. I think they have a clearance section. They have all the detailed information on each spray and each product. But if you can, definitely check these products out. I got 4 products. You can get different sizes. I got the lavender in a 2 ounce. The immunity spray came in a 1 ounce. They sent it. It was packaged really nice. It was wrapped really nice as well. And yeah, support local businesses.